If you intend to use an argan oil supplement, what should you know? What are the conditions for which this supplement is marketed? What does research say about its effectiveness? What are the possible side effects of it? Does he interact with any other type of drugs? To know the detailed answers, watch with us this video to the end. What is argan oil? Argan oil is a natural product extracted from the almond of the argan tree, which is found in Morocco. Argan oil is usually marketed as a factor that helps hide the signs of aging for the skin, rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, such as vitamin E, polyphenols, linoleic acid, and sterol. In addition, it is said that consuming argan oil may help you in some health conditions. Argan oil benefits. Argan oil is also marketed for many different situations. It is important to note that efficacy studies are not required for substances that are marketed as nutritional supplements. Let's take a look here on some common uses of argan oil, and follow it up with a discussion of some researches later on. Argan oil has many health applications. 1. Argan oil for the skin. Argan oil proponents claim that it can treat a wide range of skin diseases, such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. In addition, it is said that if applied to the skin it prevents and reverses damage to the skin as it ages. Few studies have found that using argan oil topically, or by oral use, may improve skin elasticity in postmenopausal women. This awesome oil is also often used in massage. 2. Argan oil for hair too. Argan oil is classified as a natural treatment for dry hair, split ends, and scalp problems such as dry scalp and dandruff. 3. Nails. Argan oil is sometimes also recommended to treat brittle nails, as it is believed to strengthen them. 4. Health benefits of oral use. Some argan oil supporters say that eating it can help prevent some health conditions, such as arthritis, high blood pressure, diabetic foot, and atherosclerosis. To date, only few studies have examined the effects of argan oil. While there are only a few studies that support the benefits of oil for skin, hair and nails, preliminary studies indicate that argan oil may improve health with oral use. 5. Insulin resistance studies. Scientists have shown in tests on mice, for example, that consuming argan oil may reduce insulin resistance, prevent health problems associated with obesity, and reduce blood pressure. 6. It protects against heart disease. In one of the few clinical trials to test the potential benefits of argan oil, a report published in 2005 in the scientific journal Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Disease found that the use of argan oil supplements might help prevent heart disease. In the study, 60 young adults consumed 25 milliliters of argan oil or extra virgin olive oil daily for 3 weeks. The results showed that both oils helped improve the antioxidant state of the participants. This effect can help reduce the risk of heart disease, according to the study. In another human study, argan oil showed an improvement in lipid screening in dialysis subjects. 7. It has an anti-epileptic effect and may prevent burns. A 2017 study on mice found that argan oil may have anti-seizure activity. In these studies it was found that it has 2 effects on the hippocampus region in the brains of rats, namely the high threshold of seizures, which reduces their occurrence, and reduces the risk of death of rats that enter in several consecutive and continuous epileptic seizures. Argan oil has also been found to have some benefits in recovering second-degree burns in rats. Argan oil forms. Argan oil products are usually called Moroccan argan oil because Morocco is the origin of argan trees. Argan oil in Morocco has long been used for treating skin problems. Argan oil is used in the composition of various personal care products, such as creams, lotions, face masks, shampoo and conditioner. You can also purchase pure argan oil that does not contain any additional ingredients. Where to find argan oil? We can find argan oil and products derived from it in many natural food stores, specialty cosmetics stores, as well as some pharmacies and online retailers. Possible side effects and interactions with other medicines. There are many published reports and studies on argan oil that indicate it causes the appearance of a rash, contact dermatitis. The side effects associated with oral use are uncertain, as few studies have shown on humans. There are some supplements, such as tocopherol in argan oil, that would increase the time of bleeding, and it should not be consumed by people who take blood thinners. What is concluded? Argan oil has potential benefits, but it is important to differentiate its topical uses and oral uses. Topically, argan oil is available in pure form, in addition to being included in the synthesis of many skin care products.